What's up, traders? It's Trader A, and I am back here to give you all an update. Put an entry into my diary. Yes, I am still a futures day trader, aspiring futures day trader. So, for life at that. So, yes, I'm still here. I am still trading, not giving up. Just, really just kind of taking a breather over the summer. Really, everything just kind of got too much for me between the Discord and the YouTube channel, as well as my job, end of the school year, kids coming home from school, then bringing them to summer camp and vacations. So my schedule is definitely off. With the kids home more, I don't have that early morning time like I used to during the school year. So, but I am back and I am here. Hopefully, once school starts again and they're out of the house earlier, I'll have a little bit more time to just engage more. So, but just as an update, I just want to let you all know that I said I wasn't going to make any more videos until I became funded because I was just tired of just never making that mark. So, but I am funded now. I do have my PA account, as you can see, PA account number 2. So yes, this is my second Apex PA account. I don't really trade this account very much. This is TradingView. I don't even know if I can even go on here and really see what my balance is or anything like that. Maybe in the summary row, account balance. Yes, I guess I can. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, there's my account balance. It's bad. Okay, yeah. So I'm at like 24,396. So yeah, I've not done well on this PA account. So I just said that I will just not really trade it right now until I can get a better handle on just myself, the platform. With this platform, you don't have just an ATM already set up like you do in Tradeovate, or like you can in Tradeovate and like you can in NinjaTrader. You actually have to go here, say create an order. You have to make sure take profit and stop loss are set, and then you can set a limit order if you want to. So you can do that and make sure all of this information is correct. So, but this does take a little bit more time, and for me, it's just not ideal for a day trader, especially trading the 1 minute chart. But that's kind of what we have. So next time I do get another account, I think that you can get a Ninja account with Tradeovate as the broker. And I think if you do it that way, you can also have access to NinjaTrader Mobile on your phone, I think. So anyhow, I will clarify that, and hopefully I can make a video about that, just kind of clarifying if that's beneficial or how that can be done when you're actually selecting and setting up the evaluation. So, but yeah, that's that. I'm not really trading it consistently because number one, I don't want to lose it. And number two, I'm just not proficient with the platforms. And number three, I don't know. I kind of want to wait until the markets get a little bit more robust, maybe in a couple of months. So, but that's that. I'm back. I do have a funded account. And as you can see from the balance, it's nowhere near profitability. So it's just kind of sitting there. Okay. Let's get rid of that. and go back to NinjaTrader. Yes, NinjaTrader. I love NinjaTrader. So this being Saturday, today I am going to do some back testing and practicing. So I just figured I'd come on and give you all a refresher on how to practice, how to set up your data for the market replay in Ninja, while I just kind of talk and give you guys an update on what's going on. So here is my, I guess you call this the control panel. So first we're going to come here. We're going to go under Tools. And let me just say this first. Make sure you are connected, even though it's the weekend. Make sure you are connected to your data. So MyRhythmic for NinjaTrader Brokerage or whatever, if you renamed it. So we're going to go here under Tools, select Historical Data. Let me bring it over here to the screen so y'all can see it. Select Market Replay. So I think I'll just use crude oil, and I'll start with the beginning of the week. Let's see, I wonder if I can get rid of these. No, okay. So we'll go to crude oil, get market replay data, look, crude oil here. I want to start with the beginning of the week. And this is the way I do it. This may not be necessary, but this is just the way I do it, just to make sure I try to get Sunday night and Monday as well. So I like to start with Friday. So select Friday. Wait a minute. Yes, Friday the 21st. Download. It says loading data. And I just go one by one. I even do Saturday. Okay, so it's not taking that. All right, Sunday the 23rd, Monday the 24th, Tuesday the 25th. Let's see, I don't really need that anyway. Wednesday the 26th. Thursday the 27th, download. Friday the 28th, download. All right, that's it. So now I have crude oil downloaded. Now, I think I will go ahead, maybe download another one since I'm here. Maybe I'll go ahead and download the RTY as well for those same dates so I can practice both of those instruments. So I'm just going to do the same thing day by day with the RTY. See, yesterday was the 28th. Okay, so that's it. So now I have the data for the RTY and crude oil ready to go. And then that's it. All right, so now I come back over to this control panel, go to connections. Now I can disconnect my data here and open up the playback connection data. All right, I'll select my instrument. I'll just put the crude oil one here, but I think both of them will be there. And press continue. All right, we see our little connection is coming. Okay, so I'll move this control panel out of the way now, and now this playback box has popped up. And so for account, it's playback 101, and this account will restart every time you change the time. So we have this little dial here where you can speed it up, you can move it forward, and this here you can use to speed it up. Right now it's at 1 times. So I think I will try to get it to Monday morning. And so let's see, we're starting here on the 20th, so that was a Thursday. I think you can just use this, and I think if I go to, let's try this, go to Monday. Uh-oh. Wait a minute. Okay, here we go. Right click on it, and it lets you go to a certain day. Now see, if I put the certain day on here, it's going to start at 11 p.m. So I don't want that. So let me start over. That's why I wanted to get all the data. Now let's try it again. Starting it at the 20th. So now if I go to, I should be able to select. Okay, select Sunday. See, Sunday was the 23rd. All right, I'm just going to start that at 11 p.m. and then I'll slide it over some more. So now that gets us to Monday morning right there using this little slide. And I want to just get it to right before the open, 8 o'clock open. So 7:53. Okay, we'll get it there. All right, that's good enough. We'll get it to 7:53. And press start. And there we go. So now we have the crude oil. And what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and speed this up. I can speed it up 20 times just to go ahead and get to my opening range. Let me just make sure I have my opening range properly set. Yes, 8 to 8:15. Okay, yes, so here it comes. Slow that down a little bit. So that's kind of just where I would like to start. Looks like the market kind of already ran up. All right. So anyway, just to give you all an update. So right now I do not have any active evaluations. They've all been failed, and so I'm sure some will be set to renew coming up. But right now I don't have any. I've just been trading on the sim for the last couple of weeks. I've just finally gotten so sick and tired of being sick and tired. It just seems like my lack of discipline and self-sabotage was just continuously getting me. And I would always find an excuse to take so many trades. It's amazing. The same thing has been plaguing me for the last probably 2 years. and that is just taking too many trades. No matter how many accounts I have, you would think somebody who has had up to 10 accounts at one time could say, oh, well, I'll only take one trade on each account a day, because surely I can get enough trading out of my system, even if I just go down the line and trade one or even two trades on each account. But no, not for me. They say trading just brings out everything in you. And for whatever reason, literally, I would have to go down each account and just overtrade, starting with one account, then the next account, and just until I just destroyed everything. Any account I had, sometimes, some days I'd be great. A couple of days, 2-3 days, I'd be great. Lately, I haven't even been able to get any account up to $800, $900, which I was able to do before. Now the accounts, maybe got up to maybe 500, and then I blow it. So I just had to say enough is enough. Clearly, I have some serious issues with addiction, gambling, greed, self-sabotage, limiting beliefs, just you name it, that I need to get a hold of, because there's just no need for me to continuously do this. It's getting to the point where I feel like I'm taking just money from my family, food off my kids' tables, putting them into the evaluations when I'm not taking them seriously enough. So I said, you know what, no more. I'll just trade this simulated account and see if I can make the 1,500 there. Can I be disciplined enough to follow a plan, 1 or 2 trades a day, and just trade that and get to a $1,500 target? Because if I can't do that, then what makes me think I can do it on a real account? So I'm just working with myself, trying to get those things under control, the things I just mentioned. I'm reading a book. It's called Inner Size. It's just to kind of help with limiting beliefs. It's about neuroplasticity and just trying to figure out what mental blocks I may have. So I'm attacking it. That's one way I am attacking it. Just kind of a more of a holistic yoga, meditating type of way. But also, I am just telling myself, look, this is crazy. You're crazy. You just need to take 1 to 2 trades a day and just call it at that. Stop making excuses, because I would just come up with every excuse in the book as to why I should continue to trade, continue to take trades until I end up in a tilt. It's great when things are going well, but when things are not going well, then the same thing happens. You end up blowing the account. So part of it is on the weekends when I would do these market replays and simulate the week. Well, I could easily get to 900, 1,000, even 1,500 in one day. So that got me thinking, oh, well, I can do this. I can do this. So I have to set this up, y'all, because for whatever reason, if I don't have enough margin, then it won't set up my ATM strategy automatically in here. So yeah, I was convinced, and look, I have the red line coming right here, so that's probably not that great, but let's just see what's going to happen. Put this at 10 ticks. Yeah. So I kind of convinced myself, because of the performance on market replay over the weekend, that I could easily do this. But, what I have to remind myself is, well, when it's over the weekend, you're just sitting here totally concentrating, and of course you can do it. But during the weekday, you're working, you're taking phone calls, you're getting ready for meetings, you're just coming over, maybe looking over at the charts every couple of minutes. So it's a different story. You can't compare what you do on the weekend to what you do during the week. You just can't do it because it's a totally different ball game when you're trying to multitask and do your job. So, I mean, that's one of the reasons why I haven't been as active in the Discord, because I just can't concentrate enough on my job and on the charts. And two, having to bring my kids to camp most of the summer, a lot of the times they didn't go to camp until 9 o'clock. I didn't get back home until 9:30, and by then, it's just time for me to work. So anyhow, that's where I am. I'm still trading. I'm trading on a sim account, y'all. A sim account. That's all I can do. Man, this trade here looks like it's going against me. I guess I should have known this red line was going to hurt me. So, but let's just see what happens. But yeah, so that's where I am, trading sim. I'm sure I will get some evaluations that will come back up for subscription probably in the next week or so. Whether I just let them sit and keep trading my sim, I don't know. I'm going back on vacation this week, the end of this week, so I'll be gone probably half of next week. So, it's going to be hard for me to trade anyway, so it's really no need of me starting a new evaluation, and I really feel like I owe it to myself to prove and just discipline myself and do it on the sim first. Do it on the sim and I'm lacking the discipline. And I just feel like I need to force myself to do it on the sim. So, but anyhow, that is what I have been up to. I do plan to continue to make content on YouTube. So I don't know exactly what. Definitely some trader recaps, because I do think that trade recaps, because I do think it's a good idea to record the trades, because that's a part of my journaling process. So with this new discipline, that's the thing I'm doing. I am journaling my trades. Oh, look, y'all. See, look at this. So look at this. So I'm sitting here, market replay, and boom, just like that. Just like that. But guess what? I haven't been able to do the opening range trade, probably because dealing with the kids. Oh, wow. And look at this one continuing on. Wow. Look at this, y'all. This is why we have got to practice. This is why we've got to practice. I have this thing too fast. I meant to slow it back down. I just wanted to speed it up to get it to that point, but slow it back down. So anyway, another issue that was brought out to me, because of course trading just reveals so many things, is so when we got to the whole thing about the pivots with the 5-minute gold line, well, it just made me realize that, wait a minute, I don't know market structure at all. I don't, that whole higher highs, higher lows that I just completely skipped over. Well, guess what? You need to know market structure. So that's another thing. I'm so thankful to Bob for introducing me with a strategy that I can understand. I can understand it because some of these other things are so complicated. I may not even be where I am now, but by him introducing me to something that is simplistic, at least on the, with the first layer of it, then it just did get me to where I needed to go. But I know that I myself need to study the market, need to learn market structure. I need to do that. It's not so simple where it's just like, okay, color by number, connect the dots. You see this, you do that. No. Okay? I mean, he's made it so easy for us, okay? But you still have to, there is some sophistication to it, and how do you expect to really be a professional trader without knowing these basics? So, the bottom line is, so I am studying market structure and just those basics about the market. I just want to be able to come to the market, break it down, know what's going on, be able to say, okay, we're trending, and now we have a break in the trend. There's a change in character here. Now the market's going the other way. Oh, look, it looks like we're ranging. We're going flat. I need to stop. Oh, look, we have a new high. We're trending again. Let's look for a trade. Just those basic things. I just want to make sure I have those things down packed. So anyway, that is where I am in trading. That is where I am in life. So definitely have some new ideas, things that I want to introduce to the channel, along with doing trader recaps and presenting other various content. So that's pretty much it. So I hope you all do practice backtest today and tomorrow before the week. Honestly, I like to do this, day by day as well. That's not always possible, but you can also do a little bit at night. Oh, before I go, I'll show you. Well, you know what? I won't show you that now. I'll show you that on another video. I'll show y'all how I've been doing my journal. So, anyway, I hope everybody is doing well, and I will see you all in the next video. If anybody does need any accounts, any evaluations, I know there is a sale that's going on, I think until the 31st for Apex, but yes, I do have an affiliate code. If you'd like to support the channel and the content from it and the Discord, definitely feel free to use my affiliate code along with Bob's and of course Cody's. So, but yeah, I hope everybody's doing well. Please trade safe. My heart goes out to all of you all, especially you all who have problems like I have with the discipline and the demons with the self-limiting beliefs and just even addiction to pressing the buttons and all of that. My heart goes out to you all but just like I'm telling myself, with tough love, look, we have got to get it together because we can do this. But, yes, I'm trying the yoga and the meditation and the affirmations and all that. But at the same time, I'm just trying 1 to 2 trades a day as well. And practice. Practice makes perfect. I'm just going to keep practicing also. So, Good luck to everybody, and I will see y'all in the Discord. And I will see y'all back on the channel. Trader A out.